Bitfenix Apollo case and AMD Ryzen 5600G. It's a basic build with ADATA 1 terabyte. It's lovely, lovely box. Hopefully you will be like it. Full build how I build this PC. It will come on my channel soon. But yeah, doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. I like it, especially the mesh over here cover. You can even put the more fans on the top. It's nice, quiet, clean install. Only I need to fix it is this cable management. I will put somewhere and hide it because it doesn't look nice. But so far, yeah, it's not bad. Click like, subscribe, and wait how I build this on my PC soon, on my channel soon. Sorry, man.